Ladies and gentlemen, your starting lineup for the Cyclone 4s. 11th starting position, car number 60, the Galen L. Burke machine. For Chris Foster in the 60. 10th on the grid, the 01, for Stephanie Young. 9th on the Speedway, the Galen L. Burke machine, car number 56. Bridgeton, Maine, Hattie McDaniel. 8th on the grid, ladies and gentlemen, car number 10. From Whitefield, New Hampshire, Tim Corey in the 10. Next on the grid, position number 7, car number 72. I've been calling you your dad half the night here, and you don't mind. But anyway, main event winner a week ago, Cody Hawk, 7-2. Seventh, where am I? Anyway, doesn't matter. Number 29. Hold on. The DNJ graphics machine from Groveton, New Hampshire, Cody LePan. Next on the field, he is the 2021 Claudette and Dean's Place Daredevil champion. Jumped up to the Cyclone 4s. Excuse me, Lightning 4s. Man, everybody's going to talk to me tonight. Trying to make something out of this season, having nothing but bad luck. The sophomore jinx biting him. The new car machine from Gorham, New Hampshire, Reverend Evan Gilbert. Next on the field, the number 22. Lunenburg, Vermont, Justin Burke. Next on the field, I'm going to tell you what, she put some moves on the veterans last Saturday night and ended up with a fine second place finish. Hampshire in the 44, Cameron Ledger. Outside, post position number 2, the Boulez Auto Body, Creative Counter Chevrolet. She is a graduate of the Claudette and Dean's Place division. Heat win winner earlier in the evening, ladies and gentlemen, from Lindenville, Vermont, Cassie Leonard in the 97. Ladies and gentlemen, pole position, the 01. The Big Dog Concrete Machine. No, that's not right. Tim's Concrete Machine, Jeffrey Champagne. Drivers, prepare your cars for competition. Cassie Leonard picked up the heat win earlier in the night. Lights go down atop the North Carolina Ford Mustang Paycat. Next time by, they will look to keep started. Chris Jr. And finding the 01 on the inside. Cassie Leonard to his door. Cameron Ledger, Justin Burke, Reverend Evan Gilbert, Cody LePan, Cody Hodge. They look to keep started. Chris Jr. out of turn 4, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Cassie Leonard out on the front. Miller got her heel. I'm taking the carburetor, but that's not the got no head carburetor. Leonard trying to get up there. And one back under out of turn 4. Leonard leads that one. Cassie Leonard into the lead. Stephanie Young. Chris Foster in the 60. of 50/50 raffle tickets right behind the flag stand. This is the money you don't tell Uncle Sam about, and if you don't play, you can't win. Once again, lights will go down atop the North Country Ford Mustang pace car. As that ducks to the safety of pit road, we will be set to go green next time by. Cassie Leonard, second year in the Lightning 4s, graduate of the Claudette Dean's Place. She was the champion of that division in 2020. Jeffrey Champagne, Cameron Ledger, second place a week ago. Justin Burke, Revan Evan Gilbert in the 28, Cody Hodge in the 72, Cody LePan, Tim Corey, Patty McDaniel, they look to see out of Chris Pickett. Right on the throttle, Champagne back on the outside now. Champagne going to try to make a race out of it. Out of third floor, Justin Bird right there. Cody Hodge on the inside. Champagne begins to fall through the field. Back to third now. Cody Hodge now puts the 72 up through. The 72 to third. Justin Bird now with a 22 up there. To get to the outside, Cody Hodge takes that opportunity. Cody Hodge tries to get inside of Cassie Leonard. He makes better runs. Cody Hodge now the hole. Cameron Ledger merging together. Everyone gets away clean. Cassie Leonard, Cody Hodge doing battle. Ladies and gentlemen, receiving the checkered flag 2 weeks in a row, Cody Hodge in the 72. Returning the checkered flag, 2nd week in a row, Cody Hodge in the North Point 72.